Hello everybody, and what's going on? So in this tutorial I'll be explaining about using in just basic. I'll be going on how to create GUIs or GUIs or whatever. So it's pretty complicated to make a whole GUI without a program called freeform GUI editor. So how you can open this program is you go to the Run tab and then you click on freeform GUI editor right over here. Now this is gonna open up. And what is this? Is a program that's gonna allow you to make your own GUIs. So here are pretty much gonna be all the tools that you may be using. Here you can do some more things also. So let's start with learning about static text. It's simply a text that will appear on your program, no more. So let's firstly click on it. Then I'll give you, please enter the text. Let's say this is a text. You can make this anything you want. Click on OK. And I'll give you the properties window. If you double click it again, you may also see the properties. So here I have X.org, Y.org with height, caption, branch is not allowed. If you see N/A, then it does not contain this option. We'll have .ext. What is the .ext? It's pretty much like if you want to make a command, and then we type up, if you remember, an input and output files. If we get inputs, we type up input for number handle, and the same thing for outputting. We type up print number and then the handle. So .exe is we type up the handle, then to specify it more, this you enter here like st. It's gonna make the command exactly for this text. So this is the uses for it. Let's make this as text. You know what? I'm just gonna make it like this. Okay. Now, the second thing we need to learn is the field or box, text boxes. So click on this button right over here. I'll say text box, X.org, Y.org with height, character. We have only .ext, the same thing. So let's call this as an example TB. Okay, so now what we're going to do is that we're going to make it right over here. Now the next thing we want to learn is the button. So we click on this, and then please enter a text for this button. Press me. So press me. The branch label, it contains a branch label, so when we click it, where it should go, PR. Okay, you may resize it just as you want. I'll change this into calculator, the caption. It's gonna be a simple calculator. Oops, I lagged. Okay, what the hell? Oh. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're gonna make some radio buttons. The first one is gonna called add. I'm gonna call it branch label add. It's gonna happen, and we're going to press it. We don't need to change the ext, we won't use it anyway. Subtract. So I'll do this and say sub. Multiply the branch label mul And finally, divide in the branch label div. So this is the thing that we're going to learn today. Pretty simple. Static text, fields, text boxes, and buttons, and radio buttons. So we can resize the window by clicking on it and clicking this right over here. So it's going to be resized. Then we'll start by window title, which we can change the title with the handle number 1 in this case. Title, calc, window type is window. We don't want to change the type. It's good. And we'll go to output, and then we hit produce code to give the code that we're gonna paste in our program. So we'll go right over here and hit Control V or right click paste, and there's gonna be the whole code. So there's a command called print number 1 is used for sending commands to the window. So we're gonna type up here, trap it close, then a branch label like quit. What it does is that it will trap the close, and when we hit the X button, it will go to a branch label called quit. And then we'll use a command called wait to wait for more inputs and not automatically go for and run the program very fast, then quit with an error. So in the quit branch label, what's going to happen is like opening out the files, close number 1 and stop. Okay, so we've made add sub mul div. So in the add, what's going to say op for option equals 1. In the sub, we'll say op equals 2. In the mul, we'll say op equals 3. And in the div, we'll say op equals 4. Oh, I remember we should wait in each one. Oops. Control C, Control B, Control V. So it wouldn't just run and complete the program. Now what we're going to do is we're going to make the branch label called press me. Press me. Oh, you know what? I really forgot something important. I didn't make 2 text boxes. That's stupid. So I'll change this into TB2. And then output produce the code. Just go and right over here and type Control V. Okay, so on the press me, what's gonna happen is there's a command for a text box called number 1 dots, and I told you the ext tb, which is the first text box. Type up this sign content just like this, then the variable for whatever is going to be inside, it's going to be contained like in1 for the first number, and then we'll print number 1 dot tb2 contents and 2, and then we'll make some if statements. If op equals 1, then notice command is a pop-up message just done, and then with a text. So the text is going to be if option is equal to 1 and 1 plus and 2, and then if op equals 2, then notice oh, I forgot, and 1 minus and 2. If op equals 3, then notice and 1 it multiplied by n2, and if op equals 4, then notice it's divided by n2, then we'll wait. So I don't know, this tutorial is gonna end. My camera cannot take more than 10 minutes, so bye. I'll continue pretty much everything in the next tutorial. Bye.